I got bit by my bird the other day. We have 3 birds. This one, and that one. Finally. They've all drawn blood. Yeah, even the small one. The worst bite was from this one. Yeah, this is about what happened. I was a dumb little baby and I was messing around the cage and I was sticking my fingers in the cage and she bit me. I think a chunk of my finger came off. With this one, I was just trying to pet him and he bit me a little harder than usual. Ow. That one? Well, I don't even remember that one. I'm pretty sure I was trying to get him on my arm and he bit me. And it hurt because he's a big bird.